What are they doing?
Fly, fly, fly. See?
What is in that container? What's in there? What's in that house?
The butterflies in the house.
Well, where did the butterflies come from?
And the house.
Out of the house?
Yes.
What were they? Were they butterflies when they came in the mail?
Yes.
They were?
Yes.
I thought they were caterpillars.
And then the butterflies.
Now they're butterflies, huh?
Lots of butterflies.
Lots of butterflies. You're right.
Lots of lemons here.
Lemons and oranges, I think.
Yeah. But with watermelon. Hi, Coco. What's that underneath? What's that? What's that from that?
It's an orange. That's what they're eating. They're eating the juice from the oranges.
It's getting the out.
They're sucking it out, yeah. Do you think we should let them go? So they can fly away?
Yeah. Let's let them go.
Okay.
Unzip it.
Here, see the zipper? Show her where it is.
I just found this.
Well, come over here where you can see, Gavin. They're gonna fly away. You're gonna miss
You're
it.
gonna miss it. Look, don't sit.
Oh,
there goes one.
they're flying away, Gavin.
Oh, bye, butterflies. They're going away.
They fly away, butterflies.
My wee butterfly fly. They're scared from you. Don't get that.
Hey.
Hey, don't push.
Bye, butterfly.
Fly, 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 fly. I see the butterfly. Touch one.
Well, be careful touching him. There they go.
Here we go.
I think they might be scared of you, Chloe Jane.
Butterfly, come
Here comes
out.
one. He's gonna leave. Watch him, Gavin. Oh, bye, butterfly. Oh, he came back.
Oh, they're all gone.
He's in the sky.